Chu sắp lần tia đã hình khu bưng mà bằng lần tia hoa sa na bên sa na ngã chu sắp thì khen tâm
Thank you, Mr. President, and all the volunteers. Thank you very much.
उनके अपने शब्दों में सुनने को जा रहे हैं। सबसे पहले नू रोसलिन से और उसके बाद नुंगा अनुनथेम से।
बोन चाविन सुनपा तो ने ये चलाई का दिन थे पथिन जालहीन पथिन ना उम्लो हिले नहीं तारीख थुमान चुका इनको वा कगी चाहिए देवहीन kadin thei ka ngai tole abang le ka kipa in abang le ka thasin ke wa chu me tarik thum chun ke hung ki attack in he chi a chun ki ho ge la chu hung khom mai mai bin ten dharna ka ti chu tayar ha lo ham ipp ham hin bolo bin tin chu le ki le ta bin te ti ka ngai to hi na hi bangin ka ngai to ta bang cha hi ta pon mi zaget wal ahung ko no ben yung attack o ben si achun ka zamna ben fencing ka income teo fencing hi ka income teo to ka ki ka over fencing hi fit group le fit sagi ki ka ahin si achun ka chaten ei dom to ben ka kal thelo ze chun ei to sa ben heno na khongai ta tin lang api zong apo ngai hin api chu dam thelo hi ze na azam thepon a thlai thepon se chu api agapui ka ba chu chom khat na to ben lang ating le ke hon adang dang ho hin pui bin ka tin ting le nang chin pui na vinge ati vin se pet ta chun ka kitchen a pat nen ke ho kitchen a pat chun gas cylinder sagi adim te a ki koi a hin chi ho chu hung po in aki ko gin chu kuki ho that novin kuki ho lovin hoya ki selu ham ati vin ta cho aki ko gino to gas cylinder hung pole ke chu ka ki chawalin fencing apana chu ka chop thla hin ka chop thla la chun ka keng chu ka velam ka keng chu fracture hi pai pain ka chi the ta pon iti chun ka cha ten khanin a pia pon khanin ke pon ti chun ka za movin in song khana hin ka ki selovin ka ki selu hi i hung attack te chu howin a hin bol cha ta vin howin sung chu ha lovin a hal zo vin abana bani na hung ki to lovin ke ho chu la ke la chat thelo ka te pi chu la chat thelo a hi ti chun ka veng teu chu mun danga ki sel hi vin ke ho in ko le nu cha khat a vin chi te bo chu mun khana ki sel ka hi vin ti chun lona zi tapon ka nga zeng hin hawin an hal chai chun ahung ki chon oven abana banin hawin ban chena chu in khat hin chi bana chu ke ho ki sel hin aban cho hin boloven cha pana chu ka ti mu ka ki to moi tan ka po to diula pon na ding lo ti chun ka nga tho zeng hin abani na hung cha lovin chi in chon chu si zo chun ki ho na cho hung tung ta bin in noya chu na khuleng lung zeng oven asu se vin window hoi pi ho kho chu ka nga zeng hin ti chu na hung kal diu bo chu ta chu ka nga zeng hin ka cha te ko thin ko ma tau vin tu ni hi hi nu i thiu ki heloi tai pathin ko ma ki na hin kho ki pi to vin tau vin ka tin ke ka achat thelo khai to ka keng cho pom zeng tan ti chun ka tau vin ai wangin second khat zong chu pungka khat abang zengin achi to mong pu vin asu se ji vin teng da ki ho ji vin zu aton ji vin ai le hung kal ti ve hung kal lo di hi vem ti chu ti chi chu nga kan zeng hin ai wang pathina phan ka tau nau pathina stangin pathinin in song lang zo hung kal sa pon abana cha lo vin pathin min kathang ba in tunin ama hi le pathinin i hu to hi le chini chu ka hin lo de wa hin ka su cha lo de wa hin iti chun ken thei ta in ke yong ka keng chu cha thei lo na umin army ke mani som ka umobin chizawa Delhi lang ka hin zone vin thanga ka chi thei ta pon thanga zawa to hi ka hung chi thei pan hin ka ki say jing le I will never be the same again ni danga chu active ta preschool teacher ka nahin ka active mama zengin to hi life hi aki khel hi tan a hi wangin hi chan ka sun thei zo hi pathin lung sin za la hi ti ka hen tu ni hin ki banga wang pha a hung zam do thei lo mi ta ho ka ge la hi le ke chu awang pha chu lung ka hi ti zo ka he pathin ka thang bai hi chan hin ka thu sim ka chai ki pai
I'm from Chas Avenue. We lived about 1 kilometer away from the current chief minister. I would like to first express my condolence to all the martyrs and offer my comfort to all the families and IDPs who had to leave their house. I'd like to share my experiences when we first left our home. To say that the violence had erupted on 3rd May, but the situation was already tensed in the night, already on the night of the 2nd May, because the May Day groups had already planned a counterattack on the peace rally that was supposed to be held the next day. Since we were living in May Day Laikai, surrounded by various tribes in Imphal, I had a lot of Meitei friends as well, and there were status updates that were being updated about the situation, calling for all Tengols, the Meitei Lupuns and all Kamloops to assemble and how they were going to impose the counterattack on the next day. On the 2nd of May as well, they had already rallied to Madimur University. The women folk of the Meitei Mera Paivi had already rallied to show their disapproval of the rally the next day. Early morning on the 3rd of May, my mother had gotten a call from a relative, my aunt, who had been taking care of her sick husband. He had just passed away on the same day, and she was asking us for help to arrange transportation back to the hometown on the border town of Moray. But since the situation had gotten so tense and all the roads were blocked, my mother had suggested that she waited until nightfall to transport the body or to call civil organizations to arrange the transportation. On the night, the whole locality was dim. Everybody had shut their lights, locked their doors, and everyone was pretending that we were not home. My aunt had called my mom again at around 11 saying that they were going to transport the body now. When they were on their way and they reached Singsamay, they were stopped by a mob of people and they shook the ambulance. There were 5 of them inside with 2 drivers. The 2 drivers had eventually fled away, and 5 of them, 3 women and 2 men, were there carrying the corpse, and the crowd had started pelting stones at them. They dragged them out of the ambulance and threatened to burn down the vehicle. So my aunt and her son-in-law had actually taken down the corpse and put it on the side of the road, and eventually the mob had burned down the vehicle. After that, they stripped one of the younger guy naked, and they started beating him up. When he was close to that, one of the people who were a part of the mob took him away under the guise that he was going to finish him off, and he eventually saved him. My aunt and her sister, they were taken by another shopkeeper, and they hid them away until the Assam Rifles arrived, and they were taken to the camp the next morning. her daughter had stayed awake, stood outside of the house until the next morning, and eventually made her way to Hokit Bank, which is also a very close neighborhood. And eventually, she also came to join us in First Samar, where after Hokit Bank had been burned down. On the night of 3rd May, I looked at all the status updates of my friends, and there was a particular there was a general secretary of Manipur University. He had tried calling all of our classmates together to find Kuki-Jo students in Manipur University to kill them. As soon as I saw the video, I called up my friends and my sister's friends who were staying in the hostels, and I asked them to run away, but they couldn't. They were caught, they were beaten, and some of them even had to jump down from their hostel to save themselves and hit themselves in the drainage. While pretending that we were not there, you could hear the sound of the kangsis, and you could hear people, mocking us outside of our house. It was so silent that you couldn't even hear our own breaths. But even then, you could hear people pass by saying that the Gopi people were staying in this house as well. And we had to hold our breath, but we prepared ourselves that we were going to be attacked anytime, because in the nearby neighborhood of New Lambulan at that time, a house had been burned down. We tried calling for help. We tried to find people who could evacuate us at that time. We called the DCP, but they informed us that he was not there at that time in Imphal. So we prayed the whole night, and we just stayed and hoped that the day breaks. On the 4th of May, my mother informed me about what happened to my aunt, and trying to hope that the same does not happen to us. My mom asked me to pack my belongings, but then I could not think about what to prioritize, so I just grabbed my dog and we tried to run away from the house. We tried to escape 3 different times. There was a large mob that was already forming at this time, and they were stopping everybody from passing through. Most of the students had come to the DGP house, and they were staying there because they believed that they would be safe there, but they were not safe there as well, because eventually the mob got to them, and even the house of the DCP and the vehicles had been burned down. Upon trying to escape for the 3rd time, we were risking being seen by the mob 2 different times. My cousin had called me and told me to come out right away because the army truck had come at the same time. So, risking everything, we came out to the main road, and thankfully there was an army, so there was a whole lot of mob. They were there shouting at us, cursing at us. Before we even got off the house, one of the people from the mob had come up to our house, checking our phones to make sure that we did not take any evidence of their misdeeds. But the video still went viral. The video that they took themselves still went viral, and you could see how they were treating us. Amongst the curses, we tried to make our way into the truck, but the truck was also full. We couldn't go there, so we had to find our own transportation. And most of the women, we were made to go first, and the men stayed behind. Amongst the chaos, I had gotten into one of a personal vehicle of one of our neighbor, and while driving away, I realized that I had left my little brother behind. And after I reached First Samar, I begged the army men to take me back because I had left my little brother. But they said that they couldn't risk going back again because the army was now there were way too many people, and it was not safe for them to go back there. So we eventually reached there, and then later on in the night, we contacted an auto driver who had transported my dad and my brother to the refugee camp, where where we met each other again. After staying there, we stayed there for 4 days because there was no way for us to reach Suryachandpur safely. So we eventually had to come to Delhi and stayed here till then. 10 days after we came out here, we found out that one of my sisters we had left behind in our locality had been gang raped, and she had to save herself by rolling down a hill. The pain that we felt could not be compared. It wasn't even just the act, but the mockery that came from the other community, asking us to show proof that that happened. And even after the proof had been given to them, justification from the community saying that this is war and this is bound to happen. We cannot live together with these people again. We cannot go back. So I thank God that we made this far, and I thank God that my family is safe. But I put the whole blame on the Chief Minister and the state machinery on the violence that is happening till today.
We would like to The Indelible Trauma. This is the book written and authored by Kuki Students Organization, General Headquarters, Manipur. Thank you, Mr. President, for doing the honors. Over to you, sir.
थैंक यू साथियों, आज 1 साल हो गया है। हम अपने तमाम साथियों को यहां से नमन करते हुए मैं अपनी बात को शुरू करता हूं। साथियों, पूरे देश में आदिवासियों के खिलाफ, ट्राइबल्स के खिलाफ, इंडिजिनियस लोगों के खिलाफ एक स्टेट स्पॉन्सर्ड एक लड़ाई चल रही है, और वो लड़ाई आप मणिपुर में देख रहे हैं, हम लोग राजस्थान में फेस कर रहे हैं, झारखंड और छत्तीसगढ़ के लोग वहां पर फेस कर रहे हैं, गुजरात हो, महाराष्ट्र हो या देश के तमाम आदिवासी हिस्सों में हमारे साथी, हमारे लोग लगातार स्टेट की तरफ से और नॉन स्टेट एक्टर्स की तरफ से प्रताड़ित है, पीड़ित है। जिस तरीके की हिंसा मणिपुर में हो रही है, इसी तरीके की हिंसा सेंट्रल इंडिया के भीतर भी है। झारखंड ले लीजिए, छत्तीसगढ़ ले लीजिए, और यहां से मैं आप सबके साथ में अपनी सॉलिडारिटी व्यक्त करने के लिए आया हूं, अपनी पार्टी की तरफ से, अपनी कम्युनिटी की तरफ से, अपने प्रदेश की तरफ से, राजस्थान की तरफ से। साथियों, मामला सिर्फ मणिपुर का नहीं है। आप देखेंगे तो पता चलेगा कि किस तरीके से जम्मू कश्मीर के भीतर, लद्दाख के भीतर भी हमारे जो साथी हैं, ट्राइबल्स हैं, उनको किस तरीके से उनके राइट्स को छीन लिया गया। सेम इसी तरीके से छत्तीसगढ़ के भीतर लगातार एट्रोसिटीज चल रही है, स्टेट स्पॉन्सर्ड एट्रोसिटीज है, और जहां पर की गवर्नमेंट कंप्लीटली फेल्योर है। ऐसे में ये अब जरूरत है कि हम पूरे देश भर के आदिवासी एकजुट होकर के अपने हक, अपने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल राइट्स के लिए, लीगल राइट्स के लिए फाइट करें, क्योंकि जिस तरीके का अटैक मणिपुर के ऊपर हुआ है, ये अकेला अटैक नहीं होगा। आने वाले दिनों में इसी तरीके के हमले राजस्थान और छत्तीसगढ़ और बाकी के हिस्सों में होने जा रहे हैं, क्योंकि जिस तरीके से आपके लैंड को, आपके नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज को छीनने की कोशिश मणिपुर के भीतर हुई है, वैसे ही लैंड और हमारे नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज को भी राजस्थान और मध्य प्रदेश के भीतर छीना जा रहा है। कहीं पर किसी गवर्नमेंट प्रोजेक्ट के नाम पर, कहीं पर किसी और के नाम पर, कहीं पर माइनिंग के नाम पर, कहीं रेल प्रोजेक्ट्स के नाम पर, कहीं डैम्स के नाम पर लगातार हमारी लैंड को जो है ग्रैब किया जा रहा है, छीना जा रहा है। इसलिए मैं आप सबसे बस इतनी ही बात कहने के लिए आया हूं कि हम सब लोग, भारत आदिवासी पार्टी आप सबके साथ में है, आपकी डिमांड्स के साथ में है, और हम मिलजुल कर इस लड़ाई को लड़ेंगे। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। जोहार।
Thank you so much, Dr. Jitendra. May I now invite Vice President, External Mr. L.S. Hang Singh to give the word of thanks. Salhe zong le inatau ham diu ikichay wat koi tai. Kakipe.
I don't need this umbrella because our volunteer stands in the sun and under the water, under the rain. Oh. So I don't need the umbrella. Village volunteers on Nisanoya Igamole Namong Auhin Tuchung Gole Huipi Kitoin Hang Santana Pongobin, Tunia Nisai to do he Amo Tona Toteka away Poina Amasa Penin the people of Kukizo Pakai Pai Katil Padzo sit in Hatan Sauda. The people of Kukizo Pakai Pai Pakai Pai Pakai Pai. It is because of God. It is because of God's mercy we are not consumed. The plan is to annihilate the Kukizo from the entire Manipur. Today we are standing here, we are gathering here to observe the first year of their evil design to annihilate the Kukizo community. It's all because of God. Siya chupa kaya paiti sa moy abang khatsuni pizza chiki samam na tide wen. It is proven beyond fact that what is happening in Manipur is a state-sponsored attack and violence on the Kukizo. It is proven by the fact-finding team from the National Federation of Indian Women, from the Editorial Guild of India, and also from the expert team from the UN, United Nations, that this is a complete state-sponsored attack on the Kukizo community. I want to quote Mr. Shiv Kunal Varna, a military historian and author, who said, the Kukis have been always a very nationalist, and even to the state of Manipur, they are very loyal to the monarchy, etc. We've been such a loyal community of Manipur, and we consider ourselves inalienable part of Manipur, and we give our best for the welfare of Manipur. Our forefather protect the monarch and the monarchy of Manipur from the external aggression. They were given assistance in times of war, and today the people who consider themselves as an inalienable part of Manipur are treated in this manner. Our sisters and our daughters are paraded naked. Not only that, they are gang raped, they are killed mercilessly. Our young boy who need medical assistance coming by ambulance was waylaid by this Meitei community. They were burned alive. Not only the boy, even the mother and his sister, they were burned alive. Our boy who defended the village was beheaded, and his head was put on the fence and make a mockery. Our boy who defends the village, his body was cut into pieces and cooked by this cannibalism called the Meiteis. The highest level of barbarism, the highest level of savagery in the modern history is committed by the Meitei people. I'm going to ask you a question. Do you want your sister and daughter to be buried naked and rape? Do you want your sister and daughter to be buried naked and raped? Do you want your brother body to be cut into pieces and cooked? Do you want your young boys to be burned alive? Then we have only one thing. We must stand up strong. We must stand up strong against this injustice, and we have one thing to do. That is fight, 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 and fight back. We must fight for the justice. We must fight for justice of 179 lives that's been taken by them. Our fight is against the evil forces that are hell-bent to break India. We are fighting against those forces that are against democracy. They hold the elected government ransom. They dictate the government. There's no democracy in Manipur. They told us today is the day. We are told you are capable enough to go on yourself. You are capable to live separately. That's why today is important. We must find our own course. And our forefather fight for India's independence. It is known as Anglo-Kuki War for 3 years. And historians, they said this is the most expensive and the longest war fought in India. That is fought by the Kukis. And they also fought for India's independence under the leadership of Subhash Chandra Bose in Indian National Army. That's why Sri Kunal Verma, a military historian and author, said Kukis have been always a very nationalist. We are nationalists because India's independence, we shed our blood and we give our life. And today, you are calling the children of those freedom fighters illegal immigrants. No shame on you, Metis. Today, if you can call us illegal immigrants, it is like calling the children of Gandhiji, the children of Jawaharlal Nehru, the children of Subhash Chandra Bose illegal immigrant. If you dare to call them the children of all these nationalists and all these freedom fighters illegal immigrant, you have to think yourself. Our blood, my blood is Indian. And Swaraj is my birthright. We want Swaraj from the Metis who never cares for what you did for the good of the states. We want freedoms, we want independence from those forces who are trying to destroy India and who never respect the Constitution of India. These are the people who call the Indian Army occupational forces. We love Indian Army. There's no instance where the Kukis fight with the Indian armies. We love them because our forefathers fought for this independence. This is the hard-earned freedom, and we want to uphold that freedom, and we will always uphold the Constitution of India, right to freedom, right to life, and freedom of expression. Today, you have seen what is happening in Manipur just 2 days back. 11 miscreants with automatic weapons were arrested by the Mahar army regiments. The world knows what they do. They fight for the release of those armed miscreants. And they are giving the highest level of disrespect to the Indian army. They check their Aadhaar card. They let them stop, leave them without food. They mock at them. I am calling out to every Indian, join us in this fight against all this injustice. Let's save our Bharat, let's save our India from all these evil forces. There are numbers of attacks which they are done to our Indian soldiers. They kill our decorated soldiers. Not only that, they even kill the children and the family members of Indian army. We are here to fight against them. We have only one dream. That dream is, as they told us, live separately, govern separately. We are going to fight for that dreams. We have started, we will continue, and we will achieve. I'm going to end my speech with one song. We have decided to fight for justice. No turning back. Shall we all raise from the place where we sit? We have decided. Okay, we have to sing. Let the entire atmosphere be equal with this song. We have decided to fight for justice. No turning back, no turning back. Are you ready?
Yes, ready.
Are we ready? So, 1, 2, go. We have decided to fight for justice.
Raise your placards, please.
Okay, wait. Okay, let's take. We have decided. Okay. We have 1, 2, go. We have decided to fight for justice. We have decided to fight for justice. We have decided to fight for justice. No turning back. No turning back. No turning back. Louder, I'm going to hear you. We have decided to fight for justice. Louder! We have decided to fight for justice. We have decided to fight for justice. No turning back. No turning back. Thank you. Please be seated.
Thank you.
I'm going to tell you the last word. There's nobody on earth who doesn't want peace. There's nobody on earth who doesn't want peace. We want peace. But any peace without justice, we will never accept. Any form of peace without justice, we will never accept. We will fight for peace, a peace that is with justice. Thank you.
Thank you for Hazami Sound.
हमारे संयुक्त कलाकार एक गीत प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं जिसका शीर्षक है इगम हिलो हम इबोलनाओ गम ही, जिसका अर्थ है क्या यह हमारी भूमि हमारी जमीन नहीं है, फिर हमारे साथ ऐसा व्यवहार क्यों किया जाता है, मानो हम प्रवासी हैं। इसे देखकर हमारा दिल दुखा जा रहा है। निपीजों से इमुन इदन नव इम नचे वापना अना दिंग दिंग इनका हिंदे
He pun bangsan ki tho khom tao mi te mal bangin nang khom tao mi te mi ma su lai bung bang do khom tai te igam hi lo ya mi bor nao gam le bang ya ko mu be mana mi den sing sia bangin hon nol ki lu Ilai din na lo ya mo kalai zong te Bitin sing siya bang honol ki Nalai din na lo ya mo kalai zong te Sualam tum lamaung kanam bite Hoy makikit te ding yung siu Si ito'y bangin kibong taniyo to ni Igam inam hutan niyo Igam hilo mo ibol na gam hi Bang dia bol din ko pen magwala Bite tingti sanol bang ibolo Ilajit dam lo ahem kanang mite Bite tingti sanol bang ibol hi Nalai din dam lo ahem kanang mite Riru mun katwa sui katwa ni Matiang suanin kan ramle kan nampa Lainan nali pun karin ilem sa Tuma in trente kan nilo Igam hilo mo ibuang na gampu Angin kwalsin ko bimba Bitin singsian wal bangin walu Ilai di kalong hi makanang Bitin singsian wal bangin walu Nalai di kalong hi makanang Lulin lungcin tingkang tuklang huwin Yang kan tu dia direct ki voice tu ni Ini dia juga mikir ni toman ni Sot lang ika, sot lang iki Ika milo mo ipo na gam he Bangin butik ko pin mga Bitin tingkit sa nol mga igolo Ilai dok di tablo ay kanang Bitin tingkit sa nol mga igolo Nalai di tablo ay kanang Bitin tingkit sa nol mga igolo Nalai di tablo ay kanang bitin
Adang ông thầy lại cho tu nín inam le gama dinga thum na le dingi manin himun lam zona himun platform space mang kal dingi avel tong ena ham te na ini combine kam khat thong gen dinga tham thu ni na bung si ke sang som le sang ni na kamina ki ko kami te atinga nyama aham te wa kamela holwa hule agil la ulaw atom sarunso bana patin kangai kidinga hunti aham te na udom dinga gam kasdam jing chei ujan tuni hunin igamu chris laupina thudi tanna gilung sian na le solchim tenga pada bunam lo na dingin thum dinga udah dunia hunin yung nadi ha sai mai thai kisong le only 1 or 2 minutes sa hung ding dingin ka hung nge na nang nalung siminong ham tai diwa kayu himuna pastor te tura tong tu te agingin ko ham te diwa chu zo nai de ngai pathian lo bi di bo na khan be ding nyo le ole inam egama dingin thum na ke agingin ko nei dingu pantani กับเดียวปอปเทียนนั้นขังเจ้าเสกมนาโอตูเนี่ยเกี่ยวเต็มเวงาสีเทนามันเทนาเลหาสักนาเดียนวัวโลบุราหุนเคียกับเดียวปอปเทียนเจ้าวันนี้สิปเทียนอับราฮัมปเทียนอิสักปเทียนซาโกปเทียนเดเกี่ยวปเทียนในมันละกงที่ปาที่ปาที่คงเรียนนี้หุยในเรื่องสารพัดสิ่งที่สนาการไปสะอาดหุ่นเล่มันก็หุ่นเล่ลุงคำเล่น้ำว่าได้ยังคำตั้งตัดเสียงโคนนาฮัสนาเดนักว่าสมเด็จกันนั่งจงคงไม่คอยหุ่นในตันอดีตคนก็เทียนมันไม่เกี่ยวกับปากเราต้องเรียนนี้หุ่นโอ้นังอาดิ้งนังวันพุทธินังกำกงเงียบวัวเกี่ยวกับที่สาราItuki sana di male, itu adalah sana. Ayo le, communication terus main nak hilawa. Nama minta penjing kahungian lagi. Kemudian luntang kalian isa. Ayo le kita pangisa kamun zon. Nama kibulak kahungkun wa. Bun paisa kagino le zon si amun zon ngai dam na kahungian lagi. Kami kesate ukunia. Muntong Kamtuang, Manipur State, Alok Singtang Kamar, KU, Ungkis Zomi, Alok Le, Singtang Midetian Zausi Amte, O Kagamu Vengtu, Bles Lendierte, Tunga, Natahana, Natil Boltena Nimang Intang Hella, Natil Boltena, Galvan Toy Dule, Bundang Ketu, Protector, Namatsu, Real Protector, Bundang Dule, Vengitu, Patian. Nang kuda kau game Saudi tunin gilau na bangsata na nay hun pa isaktiya nam kala namar ki muda te soy sel alo le tungnun kitu te kayon zong alo dital lo na sol na chinteng tia na bol ba zeng zong le tuni munin ka gilau na le kason na bang manang ma kibla kong konwa naman gam na hong pia kiwa dinga gam nang piale ditan na nama mintoy sana nama tupina dingin gamten kuda kongla na tune chinglong le halong tai ma zeng leng olal pa hun solawa atil bul theina kathunget na dem go ma nangma kongpa to dingin tune chinglo ta halo de thun nam dong ni nazaret jesu men kong tu me amen tung da me bol tong le amen na to ta
tu de wana kami muna ang pwede siya papasyan happy na hagaw siya lupol na le tapa happy na le hagaw siya lupol na deng ta tukulit tang tolin nalawa ang singkahin
How the Jaws continue high Timona? How the Jaws? How the Jaws? How the Jaws? Thank you very much. Bahut धन्यवाद.
लेना